What's up, guys? It's your boy
PJ.
What's going on, guys? It's PJ. We're now an unboxing channel. So I got this package in the mail. Pretty excited about. That I can't open with one hand. Or with scissors, apparently. But I ordered this stuff like 2 weeks ago. And I just now got it, so a little irritating, but it's alright. I got my shit, so. This is actually super nice. Focus, there we go. It's all aluminum. You put your phone in there and then you tighten the clamp and it actually grabs your phone. So yeah, there's that piece. I'll open up this piece and then I'll actually set it up because that'd be awesome to be able to use the new shit while I'm recording a video. So here's a tripod. That's one of those ones you can like make it grab on stuff, which I'm not going to. I'm just gonna make it hold stuff like the phone because it's a tripod. But I'm gonna see if I can set you here. Can you see this? Now we'll try and set it up in front of the camera. So here's the part where I become extremely confused because they're not the right size. Oh. So you see, this Johnny here, that's a big fucking Johnny. This Johnny here is a not so big Johnny. I mean, it's not tiny, but it's not that big. It actually untwists, which is pretty smart. Because then you can use it for multiple objects. So now, you have this, whatever the hell this is called. I don't even know what to call this. But that would be for like an actual camera. You can twist the camera onto it. But now you take the GoPro mount and twist the GoPro mount onto it. And then you take this Johnny, which had this little guy in a baggie that was separate that I didn't see, which is too big for the bag, so I'm just gonna rip it. This Johnny, you twist onto the bottom. Like so. You then take that Johnny, oh, there it is, and this Johnny, and you put them together. Oh, there it is. With this pin, if you're in the right spot. See you later. Anyways, then you tighten it up. And I'm gonna pause you and plug this in, or hook this up and come back. Alright, now it's in there. That ain't even coming out. Sick. So you tighten the GoPro mount. You set up your leg Johnnies. And look at that. I don't even have to hold it no more. And here is, last but not least, we got Smart Tree. If I can open it. Wow, an empty box. I'm just kidding. So in here, we have another GoPro style mount. Oh shit, I'm dropping everything. Which was way bigger in pictures, but that's alright. Just size doesn't matter. But my thought process with this John is gonna be, I stick it on the window, and then I stick what the camera is on the tripod with onto this. And that'll be how I do videos. Now I can start doing in-car vlogs and shit like that. But yeah, there she is in all her glory. So now, it's also cool, I can use this as a handle instead of actually holding my phone, which is pretty cool. I don't think it's straight, but that's fine. So we come in here. Hey, how's it going, pretty lady? I'll set this Johnny up right here.
Oh, you almost had
Can't
it.
even see any of that. So there it is. I mean, that's pretty fucking on there, dude. Oh, it's still on there. Can I have this back? Thank you. Well, alright. Got some camera shit. So I can actually start doing stuff. Even though I can't work on stuff in our lot or apartment complex, but that's alright. I'll make do what I have. But now I can even get to record myself playing video games. Being a fucking video game YouTuber. Hell yeah. And of course, you know I gotta make my car. Alright, that's enough of that. I finally got both my cars parked up here too. It's so nice to have a tripod. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see. I don't really have anything to film yet. I think I'm going to just start doing some daily videos in my car on the way to work and way home. Don't know what I'm going to do yet. Give me some topics to talk about. Let me know what you want to hear. Let me know what you want to see. Sorry I'm laying like this. She's laying on my neck. But yeah. Thanks for watching. This is Nani. She likes to cuddle. Have a good one. Go give this man a follow. I jacked his intro. Check out his Insta. Check out his YouTube. Links are in description.